I bet even David Beckham has an awkward sports and his balls are golden.
Oh, yeah.
Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop you hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this free Pop Smoke Drill Drumkit. Crazy as always, man. I know how we do it here at Believers Records. We always kill it.
So there's some sauce in here, man. There's some sauce for you here, bro. There's some heat for you here.
So there's some 808s in here. There's some claps. There's some FX. There's some hats. There's some kicks. There's like 6 midis to inspire you just a little bit. There's some one shots, some open hats, some percussion, and some snares. Nicely processed as always. So yeah, man. So it's a crazy package, man. So yeah. So before we move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, bro. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just close this. I need to see that. So yeah, so let's just focus on what's happening here. So I made a drill like a hat pattern instead of just playing the midis. So just to bring that that drill vibe as as we listen to the midis. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's listen to the first midi called
Everything I See.
So I think I already kind of loaded it up. So let's go ahead and hear that. That was the first. Second MIDI. All right, third MIDI. All right, fourth MIDI. All right, iced out, the fifth MIDI. All right, the last MIDI. So yeah, so that's it. That's it for the midis, bro. That's it. So straight to fire. So you can go ahead as far as tweaking the midis if you don't like what you're hearing. It's all up to you and what you want in the end result. So I hope the midis actually help you and actually inspire you a little bit. So yeah, that's it for the midis. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff. So let's start up here, the 808. The claps, the FX, all right, the hats, all right, the kicks, the one shots. The open hats, percussion, alright, the snares, so yeah, that's it, man. That's it for the package, man. Crazy package. So yeah, so make sure that you actually get it. Link in the description down below. And if you get any problems, downloading this, just hit me up and I'll help you with that. But you shouldn't be, you shouldn't get any problems. And I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number and we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste, stay safe, goodbye.